Welcome, dear children. Standard 7th History, lesson number 8, An Ideal Ruler. A policy of tolerance. Maharaj had to struggle against his enemies, the Adil Shah, the Mughals, and the Siddhis. They were Islamic powers. While Maharaj struggled against them, he considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subjects. At the time of the meeting with Afzal Khan, Siddhi Ibrahim was a trusted servant in his army. Siddhi Hilal was a Sardar in the army of Maharaj. Daulat Khan was an important officer in the navy of the Swaraj. Thus, Shivaji Maharaj followed a tolerant religious policy. The inspiration of freedom. The efforts that Maharaj made to establish the Swaraj have a special value. It is the value of freedom. He aimed at establishing and maintaining an independent and sovereign existence that did not accept the dominance of any other power. While struggling against the foreign powers, Maharaj inspired others too for freedom. When Chhatrasal, who was in the service of the Mughals, came to see Maharaj, Maharaj inspired him to create an independent kingdom in Bundelkhand. Greatness of Maharaj's work. Maharaj established Swaraj while fighting against enemies. This action itself proves that he was pioneer of a new era. Maharaj was very intelligent. He has mastered many arts. He was conversant with many languages and scripts. The teachings of his parents towards the establishment of Swaraj and ethics were deeply instilled in his mind. There was a blend of character and strength, nobility and valor in his personality. He had innumerable qualities like leadership, management, foresight, political diplomacy, effective policy about regional and military administration, commitment to truth and justice, attitude of equality. When there were threats to Swaraj, he would face them with or without his associates. Due to this, even his associates were ready to sacrifice their lives for Swaraj. Maharaj as a source of inspiration in our national movement. In his struggle for equality, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule described in his Povadas the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Lokmanya Tilak brought about national awakening through Shiva Jayanti celebrations. Lala Lajpat Rai has written a book about the greatness of Maharaj. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has said that Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone. He belonged to the whole Indian nation. He was a symbol of many virtues, more especially of love of country. Future generations will continue to look upon this work of Shivaji Maharaj of founding the Swaraj and turning it into Surajya as a source of inspiration, as an ideal. Shivaji Maharaj was a great national hero. Thank you.